Hello everyone, this video will teach you the best scalping strategy that you can find on the internet absolutely for free. I won't say no more, we will just begin with the video. Let's hop into the video. And the rules for this strategy are extremely simple. Here is what you saw in the thumbnail, and I'm gonna go ahead and delete all of that. And I'm gonna talk about the rules on the charts, so we don't need to look at anything else. Now, all you need to do is come in front of your PCs or laptops or wherever you are trading from at 9:29. And here is 9:29 EST. What I want from you is to identify the highest point of 9:29 and also the closest lowest point. I don't want you to go ahead and identify such a small area such as this one. Go ahead and identify this area right here as your lower point, your lowest point, let's say, from this small range that was created right here. If this range wouldn't have been right here, you would have identified the current high of the candlestick and this low exactly right here. Okay, easy as that. Now, what I want from you, most people are getting destroyed with the ORB trade. What I want from you though, you will stay on the 1 minute time frame, and you will be waiting for an explosive break either above or below where you will not be entering. Let's proceed and I'm gonna show you. There you go, we have the break. You will not be doing anything. You will let the dump money loose. Okay, you have yet another candlestick, very nice. And now you will do the following. You will be waiting for a very explosive move on the opposite direction. Okay. Now, this move could have started, of course, right here, or could have started right here. It doesn't matter. You will be waiting for an explosive move towards the opposite direction, but it doesn't necessarily need to change character. So, it doesn't need now to break below this low or this low in order to change character at all. You just want to see a move, a very explosive move towards the opposite direction, which leaves a fair value gap, okay? And does this reverse move leave a fair value gap? So we had the break above and then the instant reversal below. Did the reversal below leave a fair value gap? Yes, sir, this one right here. So I will go ahead and highlight that as my fair value gap. The gap that is created between three candlesticks, you see this part right here is untapped, this part of this candlestick, the high of the third candlestick and the low of the first candlestick left this gap on the second candlestick right here. This is your fair value gap, and all you will do is place a pending order exactly right there. Nothing more than that. Now, regarding the stop loss, you can place your stop loss above candlestick number 2 right here. Regarding targets, target at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. I would say go ahead and target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. So let's see how this works out. It all takes place on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see, we proceed and we are activated in the trade. And let's see, are we gonna win the trade? Of course, I know the outcome of the trade. And there you go, you win your trade. Simple as that. Do you gonna be more safe? Place your stop loss above this area. But then you reduce your reward to risk. You need to reduce your reward to risk. Okay? I would advocate you can place it above candlestick number 2 or just a little bit above it as well and target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. Let's recap until here. And first of all, before we recap, we will say that we are running something special. Free access for a lifetime to my Discord, which includes the Academy and the signals, the private signals that we are doing in the Discord server. You have free access. Click on the link below. It will last for 1 week only, guys. I'm telling you now. I will keep it for 1 week. So whoever watches this video and whoever pays attention, you will have access for free. Go to wop.com/ChrisFX original. I have the link down in the description. Choose this one to the left one. You click on that, the Discord free access, and then you will join absolutely for free. No strings attached, no hidden fees. You have the privilege to join for a lifetime absolutely for free, and we are doing fantastic giveaways as well. So I'm not asking you to pay anything. Just go ahead with the same passion that I was telling you in the previous videos to join when it was paid. Now with the same passion, I'm telling you join because it is free. Now is your time to enter for free. And of course, I will bring it back to the paid situation again. We have been rocking it this week, $6,000 up. So go ahead right now and enter the free thing right here for a lifetime, guys. For a lifetime, no hidden fees, nothing. Let's continue with another example. So now we go right here. It is Friday the 24th of October 2025 for this example right here. And I will take you to 9:29 EST. Okay, we are now at 9:22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. And here we go, guys. 9:29. Of course, I suggest that you are in front of your PC at 9:25 or so, but which range are you gonna highlight right now? You're gonna highlight the lowest point, and of course you can go ahead and highlight that as part of the range. This is a valid high. It is higher than the high of the high to the left and higher than the high to the right. Or if you want, you can highlight this one, even though as I'm teaching in the academy, which is free now, for 1 week, go ahead and join. This is a valid high, so this is the one that I was gonna be identifying. Let's wait for a clear break from one direction. Fantastic. Very dumb money goes ahead and shorts right here. Not you, after this video. This is the opposite scenario. We broke below, so now you wait for a reversal above and the creation of a fair value gap. Let's see. We are done. Do we have a fair value gap right here, guys? Already? Yes. This one right here. Okay, so we waited for a break, an impulsive break, and then we waited for an impulsive move from the opposite direction, which doesn't need to change any character. Okay, and here we can enter. Now I told you that the stop loss can go below the low of candlestick number 2. This is kind of huge right here. You can reduce it to half of it. Let's say this is 22 points. You can do it 11 points, excuse me, right here. Or you can leave it as a huge stop loss. It doesn't matter. You will go ahead and backtest this strategy if you want to backtest it. Now, of course, we see that we are creating multiple FVGs here. So what am I going to do in this occasion? This is the lowest FVG. It would be optimal to enter here, but we have another FVG right here. Okay, we have another tiny one right here. Price can react from those. We can go ahead and place the entry at the bottom of this FVG. I'm not going to go ahead and place it at the top. You can go ahead and place it at the bottom of this first FVG or third FVG, however you're going to call it. So now we have this tiny FVG right here. We have this FVG right here. And we have the lowest one where I told you to enter from. But I told you to enter from that in case that price would reverse instantly and take you into the trade. Now, I want to enter as low as possible, so go ahead and enter at the bottom of the second FVG right there. Keep the same stop loss, the same size stop loss, I mean. So you had half of the 22 points that it was from here. Okay, it was there, right there. So keep this stop loss right there and target at least, actually only a 2-to-1 reward to risk is very fine as a target. You are activated in the trade, you are still on the 1 minute, and then you go ahead and you win the trade. Now, if I proceed, I will show you something. Not here, but for the other example that we talked about, you will see that we won way more. We would have won way more, but keep it realistic. I keep it realistic, and I'm telling you, target a 2-to-1 reward to risk. So I made this video right to the point. If you want, go ahead and backtest it. I didn't talk a lot. I know that your time is valuable. I just showed you 2 beautiful examples, and I also want to tell you to join for free, guys, for free. So for those haters saying that he's advertising his services a lot, I'm not telling you to enter the mentoring. I'm telling you to enter the Discord for free for a lifetime because you have only 1 week, and I'm going to show you something. Right here, we have a very beautiful community. These are the results of one of our friends right here. He has done fantastic. We're sharing results. We're doing the daily analysis. People are interacting a lot right here. We have an amazing community and we are doing fantastic giveaways. Whoever uses code ChrisFX, we are doing huge giveaways. We gave away 950K accounts today, actually previously, now it is tomorrow. But anyways, guys, yeah, we are doing great stuff. And now you have the opportunity to enter this amazing Discord community absolutely for free and learn all of my strategies, the premium strategies, absolutely for free. Plus the best strategy on the internet, the complete breaker block strategy that I have developed only. So you can go ahead now and join for free so that you cannot say that, Chris, you are trying to sell something. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Join for free. I want to increase the community. I want a bigger family, a beautiful family. Okay, guys? So subscribe, leave me a like. I'm going to be doing public lives, but most of the lives I'm going to be doing privately on Discord, so make sure that you join now, that it is free. After 1 week, I'm gonna take it to $99 for a lifetime, and in the future, I will take it to $1,500 for a lifetime, and this is gonna be the only way to enter. So now it is your chance to enter. It is free, it is here, it is in front of your screen, no hidden fees, nothing. I'm waiting for you. I love you all. Subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.